Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is Mercedes E-Class 2015, and what we've installed on this vehicle is factory style CarPlay onto the original screen. So this gives you access, so using your phone, it's fully wireless, so you don't need to connect any wires to it. You will get a little flickering because it's at a different frequency there, but you can kind of see the CarPlay system. So you can use the original controls to control the system, and also yeah, so you can get your maps or Google Maps, any kind of special apps you use. Only the supported ones will work on here. If you got an Android phone, you get Android Auto come up on here, and yeah, all the sound also comes through the original system. So you got the radio playing. So you can use your original sound system, and we don't change anything on the car, and also keeps your factory system intact, doesn't change that. You can switch between the CarPlay and your original system. So yeah, if you want this installed on your Mercedes, give us a call on 028 554 5554, or come visit us at Car Sound Security in Ilford, Gansil, IG2 6QA. Make sure to like this video guys, and thank you for watching.